How to log in into Tower Hamlets Council tax account. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel How to Log In. Today on this tutorial video, I'll be teaching you guys how to log in into Tower Hamlets Council tax account. It is a quite easy and simple process, so let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, make sure that you are connected to a stable internet connection. After that, open any browser. For example, I'll be using Safari application. Now on the search bar, search for Tower Hamlets Council tax login. As you can see, I have already searched for it. After searching, click on the first website that says My Account Login. Wait for a while and you will be directed to this page. Now you need to enter your user ID and password in order to log in into your account. And in case you have forgotten your user ID or your password, you can tap on Forget Your User ID or Forget Your Password option. So simply enter all of your valid information and tap on Login, and with that you are good to go. In this very easy and simple way, you can log in into your account. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel.